since angithi manje sesiyifamily nani nathi so like manje uyazi okay ngizoyikhuluma late manje uzobuza leyo nto leyo mawuqeda lapho maybe uzophendula and then wena you add.
Yes. Okay. No, nike nalithinta leli point lelo, so I didn't want to disturb as ihlwele or isethameli seZTV.
Yeah.
So broadcast nisonjalo podcast. Yes. So lapha endabeni yethu angithi nami ngiyifake ngiyifeature. Kade kunale point eraise ukuthi why amakhehle engaphumi kwi-industry, why ama-record label bethanda amakhehla. Ngicela uPaul lapho ukuthi by that time omadala besign ama-contract, those fake contract, sikhumbula ukuthi abaningi baba bafundile, so i-youth ithi iphuma umuntu wa grade 12 usefundile useyazi just i-intro ukuthi kwenzakalani ku-music industry. So yena ngeke uzumdonse ngekhala njengala amakhehla, so bawathandela ukuthi they don't know anything. They only know ifile. Yes, awuqhubeke lapho uthi kuyiqaqqa.
Alright, sayithola lento ayisho mfowethu. Nami ngiyithola mase and useraise ipoint ethe shazi kodwa kuphela alifikanga la